Martin, what you were talking about the equation and the elements of the equation. What are the elements of the equation?
Driftology has an equation that helps individuals and organizations to look into their own life and work, and also to use the same elements of the equation to sense what is on the horizon, the opportunities that need to be clasped, to be opened by individuals, communities, or organizations. And the components of the driftology equation are drifting plus guardian angels plus living the moment, close bracket, multiplied by spontaneity is equal to exponential life opportunities. That is the driftology equation. And it helps us to more intensely look at different aspects of our lives, of our organization, and therefore better able to sense, to detect where the greatest opportunities for us and people around us lie.